by and take a look at the 2017 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, LED headlights, side and top view cameras, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.